Good evening. Welcome to Testa's Pantry, Keeping It Simple. I'm Debbie. Sorry for any technical difficulties you may have witnessed earlier. It happens. I am sorry, but like I said, these things happen. And thank you to Peter and Mel for letting me know. I didn't even realize I had pushed the live button. So anyways, this evening we are making a dessert. We're elevating dessert to the realm of healthy, which I hope you enjoy. It's strawberries and goat cheese with a mint balsamic glaze. Now we're not making a true glaze. We are using our really high quality balsamics. We're using a white Condimento Bianco Denso and our Balsamico di Modena IGP Oro. That's the gold. And we're blending those two together with some mint. But first things first, we start with, we're going to start with a pound of strawberries, but I'm only going to plate some sliced ones here, so this would be a pound when this was all together, but I'm not going to use the whole pound for right now. We'll just demo plating one, and that's going to be Pete's dessert tonight. So anyways, we start with 6 ounces of goat cheese and a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. So that's the only part that's not really healthy. I'll try to scrape out all of that heavy cream. We beat that together so that it's nice and creamy and fluffy. Now this is an old school beater, but I didn't feel like journeying the large one, but I think this is going to work just fine. It's a little bit easier. Now if you can see that it's getting nice and fluffy, see that? That's the texture we're going to want. So that's nice and fluffy. All right, so then what we're going to do next is we are mixing a 1/4 cup of our Balsamico di Modena IGP Oro with the Denso. The Condimento Bianco Denso is very thick and syrupy as well, and it's from the aging process. It's a white it's a Condimento Bianco, which is a white balsamic type of vinegar. It's been aged for a year in Slovenian oak. That gives it a nice roundness and sweetness. And then it's transferred to stainless steel, so it maintains the color integrity. Actually, I'll put a little bit in a glass so you can see the color of it. And this is a nice substitute. See how that pours nice and clear? And it's a nice substitute for a simple syrup or making any kind of a glaze. That is aged naturally. There's no sugar or additives or colorants to it. And then we use our IGP Oro, which is aged for about 12 to 15 years in Slovenian oak. We mix those together so we have a little bit of a syrup right here. And we're going to put in a couple of tablespoons of thinly sliced mint. So there we have the mint mixed with the balsamic. And then we're going to take our strawberries, and alongside of them we're going to put a dollop or a nice little spoonful of our cheese mixture. And then we're going to take a couple of spoonfuls of the mint and balsamic glaze and drizzle it over the strawberries. And there we have dessert elevated to healthy. Enjoy. I certainly will. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next week.